Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad X1. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 isn't holding a charge, it can be quite frustrating. This issue usually arises from a failing battery, which can happen over time due to wear and tear. If left unattended, your device could become completely unusable, leading to data loss and added repair costs down the line. To fix this problem, you'll need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and a new battery that's compatible with the Lenovo ThinkPad X1. To begin, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Start by placing your laptop on a clean, flat surface. Use the plastic pry tool to carefully lift the base cover, starting from a corner and working your way around. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. Once the cover is off, you will locate the battery. It's usually situated near the center of the laptop, secured by several screws. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws, taking note of their size and location. Gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard, ensuring you don't pull on any other cables nearby. Once disconnected, you can lift the old battery out of its compartment. Now, take your new battery and place it in the same position as the old one. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, making sure it's securely attached. Replace the screws you removed earlier, applying just enough force to secure them without over-tightening, as this could damage the threads. After the battery is secured, carefully snap the base cover back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are properly engaged. Before you power on your device, double-check that everything is connected and in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly calibrate your battery and avoid letting it drain completely. Also, keep your laptop clean and free from dust, as this can affect its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.